Most people leave free money on the table every single year without even realizing it. And I'm not talking about coupons or cashback apps. I'm talking about your actual investment account. Right now, public.com is offering a 1% bonus match on IRA contributions and rollovers. That means if you put $10,000 into a qualifying account, public.com adds $100 on top. And the offer goes all the way up to $110,000 in total bonus value, depending on how much you bring over. I'm Alex, aka your money friend, and I'm gonna walk you through exactly what the 1% match is, who qualifies for it, how to actually claim it, and why it matters more than most people think. So with that said, let's get into the video. What is the 1% bonus match? Public.com offers a 1% match on two things: new IRA contributions and IRA rollovers are transfers from existing retirement accounts. A contribution is money you put directly into your IRA from your own pocket. The IRS sets a limit on how much you can contribute to an IRA each year. In 2026, that limit is $7,500 for most people. If you are 50 or older, the limit goes up to $8,600, so $8,600. This is called a catch-up contribution, and it is designed to help people who are closer to retirement save a little more aggressively. Now, let me be transparent. One important thing to know up front is the matched funds have a 5-year holding period. That means bonus money needs to stay in your account for 5 years before you can withdraw it. This is standard practice for any kind of match offer and is worth knowing before you sign up, so there are no surprises. The two types of IRA accounts on public.com. Before we get into how to claim the match, let us make sure you understand the two IRA options public.com offers, because which one you choose affects how the tax benefits work. Roth IRA. A Roth IRA is a retirement account where you contribute money you have already paid taxes on. The benefit is that everything inside of the account grows completely tax-free. When you withdraw the money in retirement, you do not owe a single dollar in taxes on the gains. So if you put $7,500 into a Roth IRA today and it grows to $75,000 over the next 30 years, you keep all $75,000. No taxes on the withdrawal. There are income limits for Roth IRA contributions in 2026. If you are single and earn more than $153,000 a year, your ability to contribute starts to phase out. If you earn $168,000 or more as a single filer, you cannot contribute to a Roth IRA directly at all. If you are married filing jointly, the phase out starts at $242,000 and cuts completely off at $252,000. Traditional IRA. A traditional IRA works differently. You contribute money before it is taxed, meaning you may get a tax deduction on your contribution in the year you make it. The money grows tax deferred inside the account, but when you withdraw it in retirement, you pay income taxes on the amount you take out. The benefit here is the upfront tax deduction. If you are in a high tax bracket right now and expect to be in a lower tax bracket in retirement, a traditional IRA can make a lot of sense. Both account types qualify for the 1% match on public.com, so regardless of which one fits your situation, the bonus offer applies either way. Who qualifies for the match? The 1% match applies to new IRA contributions made directly to your public.com account. So if you open a Roth IRA on public.com and contribute $5,000, this year you get $50 added to your account. It also applies to rollovers and transfers from existing retirement accounts. This includes old 401k accounts from previous employers, IRAs at other brokerages, 403b accounts, and other qualifying retirement plans. So public.com also covers transfer fees up to $100 per transfer for transfers of $5,000 or more. How to actually claim it. Now let's talk about the practical steps to get this bonus into your account. Step 1, you want to open a public.com account. If you do not already have a public.com account, the link in the description down below takes you directly to the sign up page. The process takes about 10 minutes. You will enter in your basic personal information, choose your account type, and verify your identity. So Step number 2 is open an IRA inside of public.com. So once you have an account set up, go ahead and navigate to the IRA section inside of the app. If you are logged in, you will be taken to your portfolio right here. In order to find that IRA section, all you have to do is scroll down. You'll see the different things that you can add to your portfolio. So you got equities, options, index options, crypto, direct index, generated assets, treasuries, corporate bonds, and this is where you need to be. IRA, invest in a traditional or Roth IRA. Go ahead and press that. And then you'll see step 1 of 4. So choose an IRA, choose the one that you want to go ahead and move forward with right here. We'll go ahead and put Roth. We'll press next. Go ahead and read through all of this. Go ahead and press next. It'll ask you, what is your investment goal for retirement? We are required to ask this for regulatory purposes. Let's just say growth. And then you will go ahead and agree to these terms, and you can go ahead and open your Roth IRA right here. If you want to do traditional IRA, you would just go back and click that and then follow those steps. That is how you go ahead and sign up for that. Step number 3 is make a contribution or initiate a rollover. If you are making a direct contribution, link your bank account and transfer the amount you want to contribute. Remember, the annual limit is $7,500 for most people in 2026, or $8,600 if you are 49 or older. For a 401k rollover, you contact your old employer's plan administration and request a direct rollover to public.com. A direct rollover means the money goes straight from your old plan to your new IRA without passing through your hands first. This is important because if the money passes through your hands, you have 60 days to deposit it into the new account, or it gets treated as a taxable distribution and you can owe taxes and penalties on it. So for an IRA transfer from another brokerage, you initiate the transfer from inside public.com. This is called an ACATS transfer, which stands for Automated Customer Account Transfer Service. Step number 4, receive your match. Once your contribution or rollover is confirmed, public.com applies the 1% match to your account based on the amount you brought in. The bonus gets deposited directly into your IRA, where it is immediately starts working alongside the rest of your investments. Why this matters more than most people think. Most brokerages offer zero match on IRA contributions. The concept of getting a match on retirement contributions is something most people associate exclusively with employer 401k plan. Public.com is bringing that same concept to individual retirement accounts. And unlike any employer match, which is tied to your job, this one is available to anyone who opens an account and qualifies. What else you get with public.com? The 1% match is the headline offer, but it is worth knowing what else comes with the platform, since this is where your retirement savings will be living. So public.com offers commission-free trading on stocks, ETFs, and options with zero contract fees on options trades. You can also invest in crypto, bonds, and US Treasuries, all from the same account. Fractional shares are available starting at $1, which means you can invest in any stock regardless of its share price. So public.com also has a paid tier called Public Premium, and this costs $10 a month or $96 a year. Premium does unlock advanced research tools and deeper market data. For most people, the free account is more than enough to get started and manage a solid portfolio. A 1% match on your IRA contributions and rollovers is one of the most straightforward financial wins available right now. It is free money going directly into a tax-advantaged account where it compounds over time. But if this video helped you out, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. We post new videos every week here on Your Money Friend, covering investing, money, and everything in between in a way that actually makes sense. That's it from me, Alex, aka Your Money Friend. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.